Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. In the figure it is given that this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 pineapple plus 1 watermelon plus 3 pear is equal to 28 kg. So we can say that from the above data we can say that if pineapple is 2 and pear is 5 and let's say watermelon, we'll see what is watermelon. First see pear plus pineapple. So in the last figure we can say pear plus pineapple gives 7. So if we have assumed pear as 5 and pineapple as 2, then row 3 pear plus pineapple is equal to pear is 2 and pear is 5. So 5 plus pineapple is 2. So 5 plus 2 will give 7. And in the third row you can see it is given 7 kg. Hence we have assumed pear and pineapple value as correct. Let's verify the other row also whether it is correct or not. So in second row we can see there is a pineapple and a watermelon. So this is sum is equal to 5. So pineapple we have assumed 2. So watermelon must be equal to 3. Then only 3 plus 2 will equal to 5. So watermelon will assume 3. So pineapple is 2, watermelon is 3. So 2 plus 3 will give 5 and 5 kg is the given weight. Now let's see row 1. In row 1 we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 pineapple. So 5 multiplied by 1 pineapple value is 2. Now plus there is 1 watermelon is 3 plus there is 3 pear and 1 pear value is 5. So 3 multiplied by 5. So let us see if this is equal to 28 or not, then our assumption is correct. So 10 plus 3 plus 15 which will give 28 kg. And in the row 1 we can see it is 28 kg. Hence we have assumed pear as 5. So 5 kg will be the answer. Therefore we can say that weight of 1 pear is equal to 5 kg. So this is our answer.